Wayne, talking about employees, busy day. Right now you have somebody else doing the detail?
Nah, we didn't do that. We're just gonna take care of them.
Yeah.
We got 4. The other 2 we're still working on. They didn't reconfirm, so we got 4. We've already done 1. We're on the 2nd right now. The client, he lost his keys, so we're kind of in a little situation where we have to move around this tree and stuff like that. We may not be able to do the inside, but right now I'm trying to figure out if he's still gonna pay us our normal price if he doesn't find the keys, because you know we're still here to do the job as normal. So we'll see how that plays out. Hopefully he finds the keys. Yeah.
So what package did he get?
He's on the maintenance program.
Oh, it's the
We
maintenance.
take care of him every 2 weeks. So he's, I believe it's 85 or 100, one of them. I would have to check the system, but yeah, one of the 2.
And he lost his keys?
Yeah, he lost the keys, so he's looking for them right now. So this is our maintenance package. This should take us no longer than, bro, we should be in and out in an hour. That's the goal.
With 3 people?
Yeah, definitely. So go ahead.
1 hour, I'll clock you.
All right, an hour, y'all. We got to be in and out. Hour.
Hey, Wayne.
See what happens when you get spoiled? So we don't have Clean Tech with us right now. So he's feeling the effects of how heavy duty that one is compared to what we're doing right now. So he's like, man, that's not as effective, man. So, hello, are you looking for a detail?
Man.
Or do you want to be on video? I'm just playing. So yeah, it's not as effective. So this one, we got to do more agitation than we would do the other one. So with this maintenance, with the Clean Tech, we can spray on and rinse off and we're out of there. But not with this one. Look, he got to put in some work now. Look at him.
When you gonna restock on Clean Tech, Wayne?
Well, I'm supposed to be taking over the whole building. So once I get that taken care of, then I'll be able to re-up on the supplies. So that's what's going on right now. I gave y'all a little sneak peek, but yeah.
Hey, Wayne.
Yeah.
So I see a lot of moving parts, man. The guys on the tires, you are spraying over them to make sure this and that.
Right.
Were you always like this, or did you have to build to this level and build your structure that worked for you and the team?
It took time for things to flow, for them to know what they need to do. Like, for instance, my team, if I'm doing the wheels and tires, then somebody's gonna grab and do the body. So it's not something that where we have to say, hey, you got tires today, you got that. It's naturally on whatever that person grabs first, that person gonna do the opposite. So we kind of have a system to where it just flows. But for new people and just starting, of course you gotta build. We're taking a lot of time setting up instead of working. And that was the problem. You know?
I know a lot of detailers, when they get new employees,
Right?
they feel like they gotta spend a lot of time training them. Is that true?
Nah, you gotta build that system to where you're like, hey, you get on the vacuum. And as they're vacuuming, they should be paying attention to what the other person is doing, so that when they're not vacuuming, they seen that I was doing this, then they can hop on that. So the person gotta be able to catch on and naturally go. I can't sit there all day, hey, this is how you, like, no, time is money. So we gotta be moving. So I don't know about anybody else, but I like to use my bug cleaner. It's a degreaser also. So it's gonna pick up all that dirt and grime, like this stuff right here. See it? I just use it as a degreaser also.
What company?
This PNS bug cleaner. You can pick it up at the shop, 3306 Orange Grove Avenue, North Highlands, California.
Hey, Wayne.
Yeah.
Everybody knows what they're doing.
Right?
But do you feel like, hey, you gotta oversee to make sure?
I still gotta let people know, like, hey, I need you over there, I need you over here, every now and then. Because sometimes, you know, they're like, what do I do sometimes? And even sometimes when everybody's doing stuff, I'm still like, hold on, where I get in and fit in. So we gotta be able to analyze and know what we're doing next and what you can be doing.
So as a boss.
So like right now, Alfonso, he's looking, look at him. He's looking for what he needs to do next, right? So now look, he found a bucket. He's getting ready to wash. That's his next move.
All right. So as a boss, not only do you gotta do the job, you gotta make sure, you gotta, you know, look on your side to make sure everybody else is doing their job.
Right, right.
Man, that's a lot, man.
Hey, say, watch this. Kavari, so you going over the rims again? Okay, he's seen something was wrong with the rims, so he rinsed those again. I need one of you guys to grab a towel, grab the tar and sap. And look, 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 look. Get the towel, tar and sap under there. So right now, we shouldn't have to be going over stuff. So they seen a mistake that they made with the rims. I like to be one and done, but they're catching it as it dries and they're trying to touch it up.
Do you feel for detailers, or maybe when you first started,
Right?
moving too fast was being counterproductive? Because maybe you missed stuff, or maybe you had to go back. How do you feel about it?
It's a maintenance. Time is money, man. If we spend 2-3 hours on this, I'm not making nothing. So I gotta move. And I mean, of course, as we're moving, for the next maintenance, it'll become easier and easier. But as of right now, it may seem like but nah, we gotta move and get it done. So it can end up taking longer because you're moving and doing nothing, but we gotta make sure we're moving and doing something. So, hey.
Yo, Wayne, 20 minutes in, what's left?
Windows, door seals, this vacuum, and then we're done. We got about 10 minutes left.
Hey, Wayne, and I'm starting to notice, man,
What's up?
not only do you gotta take care of the employees, your job, the phone calls, they're coming in hot today?
What made you suspect that?
Earlier you said, man, why am I getting so many phone calls?
I'm talking about from everybody, receptionists, my cousin, like everybody's calling about people that are calling in. And our website is under construction. So we're having a conflict with pricing and stuff right now because we got a new website. So they're like, well, we got this price when we seen it. Should you honor that price? So we're going through that right now.
Oh, man. Hey, is it a rough day or a regular day today?
Say it again?
Is it a rough day today or a regular day?
It's a regular day.
You go through this every day?
Pretty much. This is normal to me.
Oh, yeah?
This ain't a problem. This is normal. Every day I'm moving. Every day I'm going back and forth across the shop. Even if it's a slow day, I still move like this. It's just, I'm a mover. Reyes, you know that.
I feel you.
Yeah.
Got to. Yo, Wayne, you still got 8 minutes left. You're done?
Yep, just some Instagram videos. Let the client know.
With 2 people, how long would it have taken?
I think it'd be the same thing, bro.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be honest. It's just nice to have that extra hand, to not have to do an extra thing. Only thing we need to work on is just continually doing it over, and we can get that down to 45 with 3 people total. So it'll just increase. How fast do you guys do your maintenance, man? Comment it down below. And it's 50 minutes good. That's $100, 50 minutes. Sound good to me.